Your body has a built-in cellular recycling system that removes damaged cells, fights disease, and slows aging. And the switch to turn it on is simpler than anyone told you. Inside every one of your cells exists a process called autophagy, from the Greek words meaning self-eating. This is your body's built-in cellular cleaning system. It identifies damaged proteins, dysfunctional cellular components, and potentially harmful debris, then breaks them down and recycles them into new cellular material. Research published across multiple peer-reviewed journals links healthy autophagy function to reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases, cancer, metabolic disease, and accelerated aging. In 2016, Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine specifically for his discoveries of the mechanisms of autophagy. Autophagy is suppressed when insulin levels are elevated. Every time you eat, especially refined carbohydrates and sugar, insulin rises and autophagy slows to a near stop. Most people in modern societies eat every 2 to 3 hours across a 14 to 16-hour window each day. This means autophagy, your cellular cleaning system, is switched off for most of the day, most days of the week, for most of a person's life. A 2025 study published in the Journal of Physiology, conducted at the South Australian Health and Medical Research Institute, found that time-restricted eating, consuming all meals within an 8 to 10 hour window, produced measurable increases in autophagic activity in human participants. A separate 2025 study in clinical nutrition ISPN found that 4 weeks of dawn to dusk intermittent fasting significantly increased the expression of key autophagy genes, including LAMP2, LC3B, and ATG5. You do not need to fast for 24 hours. The research suggests that completing your last meal at least 12 hours before your first meal of the next day. For example, finishing dinner at 8 p.m. and eating breakfast no earlier than 8 a.m. is enough to begin activating autophagic processes. Exercise also independently activates autophagy. Combining a 12-hour overnight fast with morning movement is one of the most evidence-supported combinations for cellular health available today. Follow for the science of how your body actually heals itself. Share this with someone who thinks aging is inevitable.